Elijah. Dwylo Daniel. Mewn dros y bel, Geth. Banda fe, Dwylo.
Pick the lad, chwarae fe.
Ar y Becso.
Casting gwaith.
Come on, lad! Come on!
Good, Jake! Come on! Down the piss, Jake!
Boys, be ready to go to the field now. Ev! Geth, comfortable back goal, Geth. Go, Geth, go, Charlie, Lan, go, go, go. Bill. Good boy, go, Jake, go. Yes, Charlie, mae'n i weithio fan hyn nawr. Ray, come on, gweithio lan ar y kicking. Go! Come on, lan, Charlie, lan! Come on, lan, cadw mynd! Cadw mynd!
Bit of court, Tony. That's what says.
Yes, yes. Hwn am roi ti ddod ochr hyn.
That's yours, Anya.
Sneb dyn nhw ma. Get off the field. Get off the field. Come on, get off the field. Go! Come on, gweithla! Come on, gweithla! Drosodd! Go, Elliot, go! Dyna fe!
Head into the pitch 12.
All kick in the boys, man. He waits on Remo Garland. Bray, Elliot, Max. Man, he waits on Garland. Jake, Ocon V. Jake, Ocon V. Jake, Ocon V. Go, Max. Come on, Max. Charlie, come on. Come on. Good break, go! One of Elliot, Dwylo, Elliot! Dwylo! Very healthy, Elliot! Run to me, Mark!
What's you after about 4-ish?
Elliot, it's you, Elliot! Pale break! Cross the Pale! Cross the Pale!
Right, Charlie, out of space!
60-minute scorecards are going.
Perhaps I do a group stages now. Got that. Oh, yeah.
Got a king. Dyma. A cyn slít yma. Cyn dyma. Cyn sliter yma.
Gymenedau am 2 o'r gloch, next games for 2 o'clock. Ar cael rhifin, pitch number 1, Gemau Merched, Rhydwain yn erbyn Bro Ester. Cael rhif 2, pitch number 2, Gêm Merched, Sant Richard Gwyn yn erbyn Bro Dyr. Cael rhif 3, pitch number 3, Gêm Bechgyn, Cas Gwent yn erbyn Pesili. Cael 4, pitch number 4, Gêm Bechgyn, Caer Elen yn erbyn Penwedig. Caer 5, pitch number 5, boys game, Gêm Bechgyn, Islwyn yn erbyn Pen-y-Bryd. Caer 6, pitch number 6, Llandaff yn erbyn Ystol y Fera. Caer 7, pitch number 7, East Coed yn erbyn Afon Tara. Caer 8, pitch 8, Cwm Tawe yn erbyn Ysgol y Dwyrain, Eastern School. Caer 11, pitch 11, Bryn Sirion yn erbyn Ysgol y Pant. Cae 12, pitch 12, Bays yn erbyn Llan Harry. Cae 13, pitch 13, Greenhill yn erbyn Maes Gwendraeth. Cae 14, pitch 14, Llangynwyd yn erbyn Cardiff West. Cae 1 a 2, Gemau Merched, Caea 3 I 14, Gemau Bechgyn.
Go, lad! Well on, boys! Good break! Ball, Jim.
Reece, ar ôl gêm ed, ar ôl fi dweud I nhw, pwy sy'n fawr, fi awn I super bad, the old back and forth. My legs are gone now.
One of ours, boys. Oliver! Thank God.
Off your box, me. Is there injuries? Wild?
Coach.
Yeah. How would you
Boom. Good, Dylan. Got 10 all the week.
Keep going. Don't look back.
Cael 2 gêm yn
Bro Eden Midline.
Yeah.
Gemau yn dechrau am 2 o'r gloch. 2 o'clock games to be starting now. Ar cael hyd 1, gêm am merched Rhyd y Wael yn erbyn Bro Edern. Girls game Rhyd y Wael yn erbyn Bro Edern on pitch 1. Ar cael 2, pitch number 2, gêm merched Sansichard Gwyn yn erbyn Bro Dyr. Ar cael 3, pitch number 3, gêm bechgyn Cas Gwent yn erbyn Presili. Cael 4, Caer Ewen yn erbyn Penwedig. Cael 5, pitch number 5, Islwyn yn erbyn Pen y Dre. Cael 6, pitch number 6, Llandaff yn erbyn Ysgol Lafera. Cael 7, Iscoed yn erbyn Afon Taf. Pitch 7, Iscoed yn erbyn Afon Taf. Cael 8, pitch number 8, Cwm Tawe yn erbyn Ysgol Eastern. Cael 11, pitch 11, Bryn Tirion yn erbyn Ysgol y Pant. Cael 12, pitch 12, Cafes yn erbyn Llanhari. Cael 13, pitch 13, Green Hill yn erbyn Maes y Gwendraeth. Cael 14, pitch 14, Llangynwyd yn erbyn Cardiff West. Gemau yna yn dechrau am 2. Please sicrhau bod chi ar y teia yn barod i ddechrau. Please ensure you are on the pitches ready to start.
Mae'r gêm nes yna. I know.
God, just in there, I think I know what you're saying.
Take 2. Come left. Come left. Go.
Oh. Go on. Go on.
Game volleyball, Caer Ewen. Josh Hughes Blacker.
Oes gêm ar y cae yma nesaf?
Ie, ni cael 2 gêm merched ar ôl. Syth, dwi'n after i efo.
Pwy di'r tîm oedd?
Rhyd y Wael, Bro Eden.